This video is in the continuation of the previous one. There we discussed the postfix eval algorithm which will evaluate one postfix expression. For the better understanding, we shall implement the same algorithm with an example. So here lies the example. So let me discuss this example in front of you. See, one P is given to us. So P means the postfix expression, that is 762 plus star 12 4 slash minus. So this expression has to be evaluated and I am supposed to get the evaluated value. If I execute my algorithm, at the end I shall get the value. Okay, now what is the first one? So they are asking to concatenate one closing bracket at the end of P. So I am just giving one closing bracket at the end of P. Okay, now encounter, so until this is encountered while reading P from left to right for each symbol. So now from left to right I shall read each and every symbol. So 762 plus star 12 4 slash minus and this closing bracket. So I shall read all the symbols from left to right one after another, symbol by symbol. Okay, now what they are telling, if operand is encountered, push it on the top of the stack. So that is my stack there. So if operand is encountered, so I'm getting 7, so 7 has been pushed on the top of the stack. Okay, now I'm getting 6, so 6 will be pushed on the top of the stack. Remember, here 6 is the top, 7 is not at the top, 7 is just next to top. So now 2 is another operand, so that will be pushed on the top of the stack. So 7 6 2. So now 2 is at the top of the stack. So plus is encountered. They are telling that if operator is encountered, remove topmost element A and next to top element B from the stack. So A is this one, topmost element, and B is this one. So A is this one and B is that is 6. So A is 2 and B is 6. Okay, now see, evaluate B operator A. What is the operator here? Plus. So evaluate B operator A and then push the result on the top of the stack. So push the result back on the top of the stack. So what is the value then? So that is 8. So 7 will remain, 8 will be pushed on the top of the stack. In the meantime, 6 and 2 they have got popped off. Okay, now we are getting another operator. So 8 will be popped out, 7 will be popped out, and here the operator is star, so it will be operated. So 56 will be pushed on the top of the stack. Now 12 is nothing but operand. So operand will be kept on the top of the stack. So 56 will be there as the next to top element and 12 will be the topmost element. Then 4 will come. So 4 will be also pushed on the top of the stack. So just above 12, 4 will be pushed. Then operator is slash. So this is my A and this is my B. Perform B operator A, here the operator is slash. So that will be pushed on the top of the stack because 12 by 4 is equal to 3. So that will be the topmost element. Now we are having this minus. So that will be my A and this will be my B. Perform B operator A, here the operator is minus. So result which will be pushed on the top of the stack is 53. Now this sentinel or this delimiter closing bracket has been encountered. So when it will encounter, so I shall come out from this until construct block. So top value is equal to topmost value of the expression of the stack. So here the topmost value is 53 and that is my answer. So here the topmost value is 53. So that will be the evaluated value of this postfix expression. So top value will be the output argument. So in this way, one postfix expression has got evaluated using the data structure stack, and then the value thus obtained will be returned by this algo postfix eval. I think you are getting this logic. In the previous video, we have explained this particular algorithm. In this particular video, we have explained the algorithm through one example, line by line, step by step. I think the conception is getting clear to you. Do some practice with some other expressions, postfix expressions. And thanks for watching this video.